think not wanting to be what they thought I was.
Yeah.
I wanted to be different than that, and just worked hard at education is key.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we believed in education. I didn't go to college, but I took some courses after, but I graduated with honors from Bridgewater High School, and I got a job at General Electric. I have to tell you a story about that because when they were hiring big back in the 50s, and at French Road, and I went there. My father took me to because they heard that they were hiring, so he took me there, and they took one look at me and they said, "No, we're not hiring."
Wow.
So I went to the employment office. And he says, "Have you been to GE?" And I says, "Yes." And they told me they weren't hiring. He says, "Wait a minute." So he got on the phone.
What year is this, by the way? This is
53.
53.
Yeah. He got on the phone and he called General Electric, the employment office, and he says, "I have this pretty cute little girl down here. Her name is Juanita Holmes, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Holmes." He said, "And I want you to give her a job." So I went back and met the same lady that turned me down. Her face was like a tomato.
Wow.
She was so embarrassed. And so she hired me.
Wow.
She had to.
Yeah.